At ASM AI Fest, ideas didn't just evolve, they took center stage.
Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, shaping careers and new opportunities for students. In this video, you see young minds exploring its real-world use and impact, learning how today's technology is building a smarter future.
School. Curiosity and creativity drive the exploration of artificial intelligence. Junior college. Future careers and emerging fields are connected through the growing role of AI in education. MBA and PGDM. Smart, data-driven business decisions take shape as AI reshapes ideas into practical strategies. Engineering College. One vision, one movement, one ASM AI Fest, shaping tomorrow.